Hi everyone, as promised that I'll send to you this just a short video explaining exercise 10 because there's a bit of a difference comparing to other exercises. There are certain formulas somewhere where you need to create, and there are some other things. It is not complicated, but just a difference. I'm going to start with the first extraction. As you could see, I've already pasted my headings, so it is important to start pasting, copy and paste the heading 2 times, and then you read the extraction. The first one, you are looking for all students with fees above 6,000. Under my criteria list or my criteria range or input data, I have greater than 6,000 because I'm looking for fees that are above 6,000. And then we go to advanced, copy to another location, we the list range, you highlight it, criteria range, you highlight, then copy to, you also highlight, and then we say okay, copy all the rows below, and then maybe we did copy less than what is expected, so you just need to say yes, because they are going to give you maybe they wanted more rows here. That is why it was asking me that. And then we have the results there. The second one, it says that you are looking for all students with fees between 4,000 and 7,000. You could see here we are working with between. But now this between, it is in the same column. It is not like between the name and the city. That is where we were going to use our criteria along these lines. But now in this case we are doing on one column. So now that we can't do the between end here, we can put end here. We can add just after the last one, the last column, we can add this fee, this one, the fee. We are working on the fees, so we are looking for two things, the 4,000 and the 7,000. Okay, that is why it is important to now add the other heading only here on the criteria, on the criteria range. On the criteria range you are allowed to add columns, but now on the list table you don't touch anything, and then on the output you don't do anything. So in this case, now that you are looking for between this and this, we are going to add the column here, and then between 4,000 and 7,000, the range, it is going to be greater than 4,000 and then less than, on this fee, less than 7,000. So we have now two criterias and on our input data. So we do the same thing, we copy the list range, it is correctly highlighted, and then the criteria range. Criteria range we are going to highlight until the last column, which is the fees that we have added. If we were going to have or, we were going to put or here underneath. Now that between it goes along the same row, but or it was going, 7,000 was going to be underneath here. Okay, and then let's see the output is, and then we say okay, yeah, these are the students that have the amounts between 4,000 and 7,000. The other extraction says that you are looking for all student that has student number 9 anyway in the student number, and then in their surname it starts with H. Okay, here we are. We copy both headings 2 times and paste it 2 times. You see it is end. It is the student's number. Somewhere in the student number it has 9. We don't know what what it begins with. That is why there's a star, but we know there's 9 somewhere in the middle. We don't know why. What does it end with? That is why you see there's a star then at the end, and then it begins the surname. It begins with H. So in this instance, there's nothing that we need to add as a new column because we are working on the difference column. Okay, then we go to advanced, copy list range. It is well highlighted. The criteria range 9 and H, we highlight it as it is, and then we copy it to below. Yes, these are people who have a 9. There's a 9 somewhere, and then their surnames begins with H. Okay, let's go up, down now. The other one now, the importance of today. They say you are looking for all students that enrolled in 2004. Enrolled in 2004. You have enrollment dates here, but also you need to create a formula for that. We are going to create a formula for a year, for a day, and for a month. These are 3 instructions that we are going to use. We are going to start with the year. We copy the column headings, we paste them 2 times, and then we add on our criteria range or on our input data, we add another column because we are looking for a year, which is 2004. Then we are going to create a formula. A formula to calculate a year is equals to year. You open the brackets and then you click on the first date of the enrollment date. First date of the enrollment date. You close the brackets and then you say is equal to 2004. You enter. It is going to say true because the first student enrolled in 2004. If this one was above, we are going to get false. But now on the output data, we're going to get something different. After you've done the formula, you go to advanced, you do the same thing. You highlight your criteria. With the criteria, this is the criteria. And then you copy it to here. Remember, we only include new headings on the criteria range only, not on the output. Yeah, these are students that enrolled in 2004. Let's move on. We copy again the column headings 2 times, and then here we say the instruction is saying you are looking for all students who enrolled, whose enrollment date is the 10th. Now there's a formula to calculate the day. We are going to include the column day because we want to create a criteria for our output data. The formula to calculate a day, it is equals to, you open the bracket, again, you go up to the main table, you click on the first student, and then you close the brackets, and then you say equals to the 10th, just equal to 10, and then enter. It is false. Why? Because the first student enrolled on the 8th, but that does not matter. It does not mean we are not going to get our data. Then we tell the computer we are looking only, in this table, we are looking for only the student who enrolled on the 10th. This is our criteria range. This is where we want our output data. We only include the headings and then we say, okay, yes, we are only going to get the students that enrolled on the 10th of any month of any year. Now the last part, months. You copy and paste the main column headings. You copy and paste them 2 times. The last one, you are looking for all students that enrolled in August. So here we are creating a formula to calculate month. That is why you see on our criteria range we add month only on the criteria range, not on the output. Month, the formula to calculate month, we say equals to month, open the bracket, we click on the first student of the main table, we close, equals to 8. Why 8? Because August is the 8th month, and then you say enter, you're going to get false. Why? Because the first student is February. And then now you tell the computer by doing the advanced filter. Advanced filter, you copy to another location the list range. This is where we want August, the student who enrolled in August, and then this is the criteria range for our students, and then you copy it to here. So we are looking for students who enrolled in August only. Yes, then we are going to get them here. The concern here is only August. The concern here is the 10th of any month, and then here is 2004, any month, any date. I hope you are well, and I hope this is going to help you. Thank you.